Surprise, surprise! This camera, it's an EOS 300. It's not a digital, it's a normal film camera. This camera, it takes so good pictures. To be honest, I wouldn't have expected that. Just to show you one great photograph that I took with it. One moment. Here, this is a beautiful picture of my son, and I can only speak in the greatest sound of this camera. Look at it. It's a clean camera. This is it's a kit lens. There's nothing, absolutely nothing special about it, and both work together like how did President Trump say, a fine-tuned machine. So to be honest, and I really tell you, look at the display there. If you buy a film camera and you don't know nothing about analog about film cameras, buy this one. Yeah, it's so easy. If you look through the viewfinder, you can easily see where you're focusing. You can even take the photographs just like you can take them on a digital camera. Look at that. It's a great camera. I can only recommend it. I'll show the slides afterwards, and if you're still interested in my videos, stay tuned, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, bye bye!